Hey, what's up? This is a response to Fuschi. We got your video about the request for a tutorial on how to play our song Nyob Zoo. So here it is, and thank you for your support. We really appreciate it. And so here it goes. I'm tuned a full step down right now, so just disregard the capo. So just act as if this is standard tuning. So here we go. So the chords are G, E minor, C, and then D. So first you're playing this, and then your verses are going to be the same exact thing, which is G, E minor, C, and then D. And then the pre-chorus goes C, D, and then C, and then D. And then there's like a slight pause, which I'm sure you can catch. And then chorus is the same thing, G, E minor, C, and then D. So you got again. Yep, so thanks again on behalf of the Mus Huv project. Thank you for your request, and best of luck to you and your performance. And we hope to see your video on your performance. So until then, have a happy new year and best of luck.